pointer notation to access to the array elements. So in this program we will get pointer notation. That means we will access to the array. That means we will find addresses of elements in 2D array. Now main, so this is a compulsory function in every program. Now int s42, so s42 is an array which is integer. So in first column we have 4 elements and second we have 2 elements. Now first element is 1 2 3 4 5 6, one second element is 1 2 1 2 33, third is 1 4 3 4 80, fourth is 1 3 1 2 78. int ij, so I and j are integers. Now I is equal to 0, I is less than or equal to 3, now I plus plus. So in for loop I is equal to 0, I is less than equal to 3, I plus plus. Now printf slash n, so slash n is used for going into next line. Now inside for loop then there is another for loop. So first for loop was for I, now second for loop is for j. Now for j is equal to 0, j is less than equal to 1, j plus plus. Printf %d, %d is for integers. Now star represents address of. Now address of in bracket address of s plus I plus j. Now bracket complete. Now 2 semicolons are given. Output of this program is 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 1 2 3 3, 1 4 3 4 80, 1 3 1 2 78. So we wanted to print the array elements. So for that we were writing program, and here is output. Now pointer to an array. If we can have a pointer to an integer, a pointer to float, a pointer to char, pointer to an array. If we can have a pointer to an integer, a pointer to a float, a pointer to char, then can we not have a pointer to an array? We certainly can. The following program shows how to build and use it. Usage of a pointer to an array. Usage of a pointer to an array. Main s52. So this is pointer. So in first element it has 4. In first row it has 4 elements, that is 1 2 3 4, and in second it has second column it has 2 elements, that is 1 2 3 4, then 5 6, 1 2 1 2, then 3 3, 1 4 3 4, comma 80, 1 3 1 2, comma 78. int star p2, int ij star pint. For loop I is equal to 0, I is less than or equal to 3, I plus plus. P is equal to ampersand si, pint is equal to p. Printf slash n, that is for going on next line. For j is equal to 0, j is less than or equal to 1, j plus plus. Printf %d, comma star pint plus j. And here is the output. 1 2 3 4 5 6, now 1 2 1 2 3 3, 1 4 3 4 80, 1 3 1 2 78. Here p is a pointer to an array of 2 integers. Note that parentheses in declaration of p are necessary. Note that the parentheses in the declaration of p are necessary. Absence of them would make p an array of 2 integer pointers. In outer for loop, each time we store address of a new one-dimensional array. Thus first time through this loop, p would contain address of 0th 1D array. This address is then assigned to an integer pointer pint. Lastly, in the inner for loop, using the pointer pint, we have printed the individual elements of 1D array to which p is pointing. So this is a program for printing out the array elements.